Hi, I'm Andrew with Roofer Chick's Handyman Division. We're out at Rockwall Ranch and we're going to walk you through a screen-in porch that we put together for a client. We've got a 42 long by 11 foot high screen-in porch. On this wall over here, we had to add the cable ties for safety. The children that are here are between the ages of 1 and 3, and there's about a 6-foot dropout here. We painted the framework and put it all together. We ended up adding some weep holes at the bottom, if you could take a look down there, so that the water, whenever the rain does come in, it's easier for it to go out. We put them centered on the screened part so that it looked really uniform, and then we centered the studs on the wall. While we were here on the project, we had the homeowner ask us to go ahead and paint a couple of areas that they had some ceiling that was they wanted protected, and so we added the ceiling over here in this area, and also a couple of other ceilings on some decking where we did some shiplap work. They were super happy with the product after it was all complete. Another thing that we did was we added the screen door that we did with the same shellac on the top, and it ended up tying into the ceiling really well on this job. The customer asked us to add a few other things. We ended up painting a tub area, which we will show you later. Also, a couple of other jobs that he sent our way because of the work that we did while we were here. This is an area of the home that we ended up painting for the homeowner. We had to cover up some nail holes, sand it down a little bit, and give it 2 coats of paint. We have that happen pretty often where we're out at a job site and the customer sees the kind of craftsmanship that we have and the work that we're doing and asks us to kind of throw something else on there to make sure that it gets done in a timely manner. We're really proud of how this project turned out. We'd like to have the opportunity to bid a job for you. Give us a call at 830-629-7663. Shoot us an email at handyman@rooferchicks.com.